How to scan QR code on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to scan QR code on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. QR codes provide quick access to websites or information without needing to type or remember web addresses. To start, you need to simply swipe down from the top of your screen. Then swipe right to view all the available buttons on your quick settings bar. And from here, you need to locate the option for Scan QR code button or simply QR code button. If it is available on your device, simply you need to tap on it. And then from your available device QR code, you can simply scan the particular QR code on your device. You can also search with your camera at top of the screen. But if this option is not available on your quick settings bar, you can simply tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Edit Tiles. Under More function, you can find it and then you can add on your quick settings bar. If it is not available completely, then simply what you need to do is you can open the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, and then download the QR code scanner on your device. So that is how we can easily download and scan the QR code if you have any QR codes. So that is how we successfully scan the QR code on our device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.